Welcome to the physics class. Today we shall see uses of concave and convex mirror. Concave mirror has got a property that when parallel rays fall on the concave mirror, they all get focused at the principal focus. This is the converging nature of concave mirror. Whereas in case of convex mirror, when parallel rays fall on the convex mirror, they diverge from the surface. Thus, convex mirror has a diverging nature. Based on these facts, we shall see the practical use of concave and convex mirror in daily life. Concave mirrors are used in the headlight of car. The bulb of the headlight is placed at the focus of the concave mirror and the back side is all in the curved shape. This helps the light rays to fall on the concave mirror from the focus where the bulb is kept, and you get a fine beam of light highly intense from the headlight. Second application is of a torch which is similar to that of headlight. When we take a torch and look at it, you see that the bulb is placed inside a bowl-shaped cavity. This cavity is the concave mirror, which helps in getting the intense beam of light parallel to each other. The bulb is to be placed at the focus. Third use is in dentist and ENTs, the mirrors that they use. Now, all of us have seen the small mirror that the dentist puts in our mouth to check for any cavity present. That small mirror is concave and it is held very close to the tooth which is creating trouble. Now, why it is held closer inside the mouth? The reason is that let's go back to the sixth case of image formation in concave mirror. We have seen that when the object is held very close to the pole, that is, when the object is held between the pole and the principal focus of concave mirror, the image formed is virtual, erect and magnified. Thus, when the tooth is placed very close to concave mirror, the image of the tooth or the cavity is virtual, erect and highly magnified. This helps the dentist to see the minute details inside very clearly. Same is the case with ENTs. The fourth uses is in solar cooker. Now, solar cooker is a one where food gets cooked by the solar energy. The utensil with the food to be cooked is placed at the focus of a dish which is in the form of concave. Now, this relates with the first case of image formation. The sunlight coming from infinity are all parallel to each other, which after reflection converges at the principal focus. Thus, the sunlights are focused at the point where we have kept the utensil, and intense amount of heat and light energy helps to get the food cooked faster. All of us have seen the satellite dishes that we use to receive the TV signals. These dishes are also in the shape of concave. The reason is similar as that of the previous example. The rays carrying the information of serial, news and music, they are falling on the concave dish and are converged at the point of focus where we have the device. Thus, the dishes help in capturing the signal. The next use of concave mirror is it is used in shaving mirrors. Shaving mirrors give us virtual, erect and magnified image when we place the object between pole and the focus. Thus, it is used in shaving mirrors. Marine lighthouses use concave mirror to have the beam of light focused at some distance apart. Telescopes also use concave mirror. They catch the light coming from infinity, a star located far away from us, and it converges it at one point. The flashlight camera of camera is also used in concave mirror. Electron microscope, which gives us the images of very minute objects, also uses concave mirror in the form. Now let us look at the convex mirror. The rear view mirrors of the cars are convex in nature. This is because convex mirror gives us virtual erect and diminished image. Now, a car or a bus moving from behind, the image formed in the mirror is always diminished. This we all have observed. So, we cannot use a concave mirror here because concave mirror for all the 5 cases gives us inverted image. We use a convex mirror because it gives us a wide range of view. It's bulged mirror, therefore the field of view is wide. Also, it gives us a diminished image. So, a big bus will appear to be a small bus. And many a times, you must have noticed that a statement is written in the mirror, which is, objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. Now, why this is written? Because it depends on the distance of the object. As we have seen in previous video, in case of plane mirror, the image and the object are formed at the same distance. But here in this case, the object is actually closer than what appears to us in the mirror. So we may feel that the car is still far behind us, but the actual position of the object, that is the car, is closer to us. So that is the reason why this statement is written in the rear view mirrors of vehicles. Convex mirrors are also used in security in shops. Now these convex mirrors, as you can see in the picture, are fitted on the ceiling where a person sitting at one point can have a 360-degree view of the shop. So the mirror fitted on the ceiling captures a wide field of view and thus helps in maintaining the security in shops. We do see these mirrors fitted at blind spots, like in the parking lot or the blind turn. We have the big mirrors fitted so that the driver or the person moving will have a view of what is coming from the other side. These are installed at places where we cannot see the person coming from the other side clearly and directly. So convex mirror helps us in giving us the image. They are also used in street lights. So street lights, the cover of the street lights are little bulged and curved outward. This is why so that the lights get diverged and spread out at a larger area. ATMs are also fitted with small convex mirror at the center front part. This is put so that the person using the ATM machine can have a check on who is standing at his back and can have a check on the person's activity. While entering the password and the code, which are supposed to be confidential, one should be clear and one should make it sure that the person standing at the back is not observing us. So convex mirror helps the person using the ATM machine in keeping a check. The sunglasses, the shape of the sunglasses is also curved convex outward, although they are not the mirrors. Because if we put a mirror in front of our eye, we will not be able to see. But we are just talking about the shape of the glass used in sunglass, that is convex. Thus, there are so many uses of concave and convex mirror in our daily life. Do keep a check so that you can see the practical implication of physics in your daily life. I finished the class here today. See you in some other video. Till then, goodbye.